What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. Today I will be reviewing something different. You may need this, you may not need this. I know some people need this. Some homeowners are into wildlife, bird watching, or hiking, biking. So some homeowners are into doing sports stuff. If you're not one of those homeowners, this may not pertain to you, but this is a magnet for your GoPro. What comes in the box is the magnet base. It's green. Looks pretty cool. You have the band that goes around your neck, and you have instructions. With this, it's a magnet and it's pretty strong. Hold up, is this the magnet? Yeah. Oh, y'all see that? That is, guys, this is strong. Okay. The mount. So basically you can mount this behind your shirt. Put the part onto, you put this piece. Let me unwrap this for y'all. Okay, you guys, we are going to see how this works while we wear a sweater. All right, so I already tied it on there. So I tied it on, put it around my neck. Forgot what side was the magnet side. So we're gonna put it in our sweater. And let me bring this up just a little bit. All right. So I got the magnet right here. Okay, let's see how strong it is. All right, had to find it first. Like they say, you're going for a walk, it ain't gonna go nowhere. That's going for a walk. Now you're going for a run. It stays on there. All right, just showing y'all how it works with a sweater on. All right, let's try a coat. All right, you guys, we have a coat. Now, we are going to bring this out here. I think this is the magnet side. Let me see real quick. Yep. Even if you want to just leave it like that and leave your coat open, or this thing is hard to get off. All right. Now, let's see how it works with a coat. Boom. Still even work with a coat. So if you're doing deliveries, or if you're doing, you know, hiking, walking, this works pretty good. Just got to find a magnet and make sure it's straight. So that's pretty good. All right. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope y'all like this review. This is a pretty cool tool to have, or cool product to have. I give it 5 stars. All right, like, comment, and subscribe.